Electronic Music and Sound Production at Norwich is a new 3-year composition and sound production course that focuses across multiple different disciplines and enables students to exit as electronic composers of various types. Students will learn by the end of the course to produce music of a variety of different genres and types for a variety of different spaces for music. This could be game music, procedural sound for game. It could be a variety of different roles in film production, or it could be music for a variety of different performance type spaces. The introduction of this course to Norwich's portfolio of undergraduate and postgraduate courses will fundamentally change the way that people practice across different disciplines. We will be the glue that combines different subjects, different types of practitioner. Sound has a space in any other visual medium, can work alongside any other course. This course is a course for anybody interested in electronic music. You may have a background in music, you may perform in a band, you may have produced electronic music in the bedroom, or you may have had no experience of composition or sound before. The course is open enough to facilitate learning in an environment that encourages anybody to be able to have a voice in electronic music.